All right, welcome to this channel, everybody, on real home product reviews and do-it-yourself jobs. I am a neurotic dad trying to save y'all time and money out there. In this video, we're going to be cleaning a microwave. Yes, that dreaded job that we don't like to do. Lots of buildup and disgusting stuff over time. But here is a video that can help you kind of comprehensively clean it. First thing we're going to do is obviously remove that glass tray on the inside. We're going to get that nice and clean. We're going to scrub it and whatnot. You can see this microwave also has some stains and some grease and all that stuff. Not a terribly dirty microwave in this case, but nonetheless, we are going to give it a go. So we'll take out that little tray as well as that little circular piece of plastic. And underneath here, you'll be surprised to know that there perhaps are these little vents, these little grease trap things. We're going to actually remove that because over time that can build up a lot of nasty stuff in there, and you can wash those out, put them in the dishwasher, scrub them however you wish. And also a pretty easy job. Now, if those are in too bad of condition, of course, you're going to have to replace those, but I like to give them a good brushing, manual brushing every now and again. And to pop those back in, they just should slide in just like that. Who would have thought cleaning under your microwave is indeed part of the microwave, right? So next we're going to be wiping everything down. This is obviously the manual part of this job, getting all that food and grime and whatnot off. And you could even use some Windex or some glass cleaner. Obviously, you want to read your instruction manual for your microwave. Make sure you don't use any abrasive chemicals that might damage the inside of your microwave. But we're going to wipe everything down. Good old-fashioned elbow grease here, and maybe some dishwashing soap if you want a more natural route. With this piece clean, we'll check the wheel condition of these, make sure they rotate, make sure there's no grime buildup, get rid of that grime buildup and clean those really well, if so. And we'll replace the clean glass tray. Now, just another shot here, putting this back in. There should be some little, not clips, but little grooves onto which the glass tray can fit. You want it to turn and rotate nicely. Next up, we're going to take a glass of lemon juice, or a little bowl of lemon juice. You can add a little water in there if you'd like, but the idea is here to get this very, very hot, and it's going to create condensation inside your microwave. I'm going to set it for a minute, but feel free to do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, as long as you want, depending on how much liquid you have in there. You don't want it to all evaporate, but you want it to have lots of condensation and get a nice citrusy flavor, a nice citrusy smell happening, and that will help clean out your microwave and also give it a really aromatic, nice smell every time you open it until the next time you clean it. Obviously, be careful. That lemon juice bowl is really, really hot. So hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for being with me. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe.